Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you what's in my box for the month of August Boxycharm. Now we're going to start with, it brings a little pamphlet which basically tells you the name of each product, and also it gives you the total MSRP, which is the total amount for each item and how much it costs. Now it brings the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. And that one would be this one right here. Now let me just open it up for you guys, because it's better if you just look at the product itself. Well, a little bit about this product. Supposed to give you a refreshing, no, it's supposed to be a refreshing powder that does unlike mists and sets. Perfect makeup for silky smooth finish. Okay, so it blurs the look of fine lines and imperfections. I've never tried this type of product before, so I'm definitely looking forward to. And it's really cute packaging. I love it. Looks really nice. Okay, and that one retails for a total of $39. And which is awesome. You got everything for $22 only, and a total of, hold up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products, which is awesome. Now moving on to the next would be these little eyeshadows. Now this one is, they're both glitter eyeshadows. This one is a silver gray color, and this one is a very glimmery shadow pink. Let's see, this one's by brand, I never heard of this brand, and the name is Huckleberry, but it looks really cute, the color. I would wear something like this, but I don't really use much silver, so let me just do a few swatches. Okay, so as you could see, these are the colors, and they look very pretty. I like them. Right, next would be the Big Eagle mascara. Sorry, my camera just keeps on like out of focusing. Oh, by the way, those the duo for the eyeshadow, it retails for $25. I'm not sure if both or just one, but I'm hoping both, because $25 just for an eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm trying to open this one now. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. That's kind of annoying because I'm holding my phone with like one hand. So this is how it looks. It's color black. And this one retails for $23. Now next product is a Steve Laurent, I think that's how you say, Steve Laurent pencil, lip pencil. And this one retails for $15. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. So that's the color. It looks really cute. I would definitely use this. The eyeshadows, not so much, just because I don't really wear much eyeshadow, but definitely the lip liner. And lastly would be a Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Ooh, I never tried this brand or a face oil because my face is really oily, but let's see what this is really supposed to do. So, face oil. It's a beauty elixir. Hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have. Okay, I feel like I have really oily skin, so... But it says it could be for any skin, type of skin. So we'll definitely have to try this. So 2 to 3 drops. Okay, I'll definitely be trying out this product during the weekend. Oh, and this one retails for $42. Wow. Looks very fancy. I definitely love all these products. They are awesome. And I'll definitely be using this one. Mascara. The Becca Hydra Mist powder, and also the lip liner. These are my definitely use. The powders, not so much. Just like I said, I don't wear much eyeshadow, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video.